What's up? It's Cheption Mutai here. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share tips and expert advice on media tech, freelance and business. In today's video, I'm going to be responding to one of the subscribers who commented on the video on SHA registration and asked, can you create a video on registering as an employer on SHA portal, Social Health Insurance Authority portal? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of registering on SHA portal as an employer. Stay tuned. Are you looking for professional video production services? Request a free quote on www.techtubestudio.com. If you're new on this channel, like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also take time to visit my website on cheption.com to learn more. Now, let's get right into today's video. Before we get started, have in hand the following documents because you will be required to upload them on the portal. The first one is your company Kenya Revenue Authority PIN. This will be required in soft copy to be uploaded on the portal. The second one is the company registration certificate. This is issued by the business registration portal and you'll be required to upload a copy of the same. Now that you have the documents required, go to sha.go.ke and click on Register Employers. You'll be taken to this place here. Alternatively, you can go to employers.sha.go.ke. This is the screen that will be shown to you. There are three ways that you can register as an employer. The first one is to activate your account with SHA with NHIF services or NHIF e-services that was existing before. So to do this, you can click on the first option here. The second way is to register a new business with SHA, which is the second option here. And lastly, you can register as a domestic employer, like you employ people in your home. And you'll be asked a few things here, as you can see. For this video, we will walk through the process of registering a new business on SHA portal. So as you can see here, what is required here is your organization name, which you are required to enter the organization name, put your name, your contact information, your physical address. Then now, your KRA PIN, you will type it here. Then the registration certificate, you upload it here. Then the KRA PIN, you'll be required to upload the same PIN that you typed here. You upload the same copy of the same. Then you will be required to fill in administration information. If you have any questions, because I create these videos purposely for educational purposes, you can direct your questions to Social Health Insurance Authority Support. With this said, I hope you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also take time to visit my website on cheption.com to learn more. Up until next time, bye bye and take care. My name is Cheption Mutai. Follow me on social media at Cheption Mutai.